Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's lecture, we will discuss 20 phrasal verbs with meanings and examples. First phrasal verb is bring up. It means to mention or introduce a topic. For example, during the meeting, she brought up the idea of a team building retreat. It means she mentioned or introduced the idea of a team building retreat during the meeting. The next one is call off. It means to cancel an event or activity. For instance, they had to call off the soccer match due to heavy rain. Here in this example, the soccer match was cancelled because of heavy rain. Check out. Check out means to investigate or look into something. For example, I need to check out these new regulations before starting the project. Here, it means before starting the project, the person needs to investigate or examine the new regulations. Come across. Come across means to find or encounter unexpectedly. For example, while cleaning the attic, I came across an old photo album. Here the person found an old photo album unexpectedly while cleaning the attic. Breakdown. It means to stop functioning or to have a failure. My car broke down on the way to work this morning. Here in this example, it shows the car stopped functioning while the person was on the way to work. Next phrasal verb is bring in. It means to introduce or bring something or someone into a place or situation. For example, the company decided to bring in a consultant to improve efficiency. Here, it means a consultant was introduced or brought into the company to enhance efficiency. Cut down on. It means to reduce the quantity of something. For example, I'm trying to cut down on caffeine, so I switched to decaf coffee. It means the person is attempting to reduce the amount of caffeine consumed, so they switched to decaffeinated coffee. Figure out. Figure out means to understand or solve a problem. For example, it took a while, but I finally figured out the puzzle. It means after some time, the person understood or solved the puzzle. Hold on. Hold on means to wait or pause. For example, can you hold on for a moment? I will be right back. Here in this example, it shows the person is asking someone to wait or pause for a short period. Keep up with. It means to stay informed or maintain the same pace as something. For example, it is challenging to keep up with the latest technology trends. It means staying informed about the latest technology trends is challenging. Look forward to. It means to anticipate or be excited about something in the future. For example, I look forward to meeting you at the conference next week. Here it means the person is excited about the upcoming meeting at the conference. Make up. Make up means to reconcile or create a fictional story. For example, after the argument, they decided to make up and move forward. It means they reconciled or resolved their differences after the argument. Get along with. It means to have a good relationship with someone. For example, she gets along well with all her colleagues at work. In this example, it means the person has positive and harmonious relationships with her colleagues. Pass away. Pass away means to die. My grandfather passed away peacefully in his sleep. Here it means the grandfather died peacefully while sleeping. Run out of. Run out of means to exhaust the supply of something. For example, we ran out of milk, so I need to go to the store. In this example, it shows the supply of milk has been exhausted, so a trip to the store is necessary. Take up. Take up means to start a new activity or hobby. For example, I decided to take up painting as a way to relax. In this example, it shows the person started the activity of painting as a means of relaxation. Turn down. Turn down means to reject an offer or request. For example, unfortunately, they had to turn down my job application. In this example, it shows that my job application was rejected by them. Wake up. Wake up means to stop sleeping and become conscious. For example, I usually wake up at 7 a.m. on weekdays. It means the person stops sleeping and becomes conscious at 7 a.m. on weekdays. Workout. Workout means to exercise or to resolve a problem successfully. For example, I try to work out at this gym 3 times a week. It means the person engages in physical exercise at the gym 3 times a week. Zoom in. Zoom in means to focus or enlarge an image. For example, you can zoom in on the map to see detailed information. Means you can focus or enlarge the map to view detailed information. So these are some phrasal verbs that you can use in your everyday conversation. Thank you for watching.